This is 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. Alright, so we will be replacing the starter on this vehicle. Alright, so first off we're gonna disconnect the battery terminal on this one before starting on the starter. So the starter is located in the underneath, but it's on the driver's side. Alright, so there is our starter. Okay. Alright, right there. You can also access it from the top. Okay, so I just removed the S wire, and now removing this wire right there. Okay, now I got that thing off. Alright, so I got the long bolts out. Here, the one that goes on the top, right here, and got the nuts from the bottom out. So I'm ready to pull the starter out. You know, pull the thing out, and you're gonna have to go through the underneath to remove the starter. Okay. Alright, so there is the starter. So I'm just gonna drop the starter out. I'm gonna have to turn the camera off because there is not a lot of room to get my hands underneath with the camera on. Now I got, there you go, my hands on the starter, and there is our starter. Okay. Alright, here is our starter on the right. On my right is the old one, on my left is the new one. Okay though, and everything looks alike, all the orientation looks the same, so we'll go ahead and install that. Alright, I got the new starter in there. I just need to put the bolts in and tighten them up, and then connect the harness, the electrical harness, and then we should be ready to go. Alright, there it is. It's all put together, and thank you for watching my video.